So 2019 is a really big year for Friedrich. We are launching more new products than we have in decades for the company. So not only within one product line and a new line of products, but multiple product lines. One of the most exciting things about 2019 is we will be launching Wi-Fi connectability in all of our room air conditioners. That doesn't stop with window air conditioners. That actually continues into our through-the-wall air conditioners. Friedrich in 2019 will be the first Wi-Fi connected through-the-wall air conditioner on the market. Our premium room air conditioner lines, Kühl and WallMaster, are getting entirely new user experiences, new user interfaces that have built-in Wi-Fi connectability through our new Friedrich Connect platform. Our Kühl and Uni-Fit lines of window air conditioners are also receiving entirely new designs, new looks, new user interfaces, as well as Wi-Fi built-in. New product launches extend even into our portable air conditioner line. This year we're launching an entirely new line of dual hose portable air conditioners, which will be some of the highest performing units in the marketplace. Our 2019 portable air conditioners will have new installation features that make installing the units easier than ever before. Friedrich is expanding its already award-winning 1 and 2 ton VRP product line to now include a 3-ton model. I'm really excited about the introduction of our new lines of floating air ductless heat pump systems. Our Floating Air Premier and Floating Air Pro lines feature our FastPro installation technology, which not only aids in saving time on the installation of the ductless systems, but also greatly reduces maintenance and service time. And like the generations of products before them, you'll find the durability, reliability, and quality that you've come to expect with a Friedrich.